What is up, guys? Danny the G here, back at y'all with another freaking video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put in dreadlocks for straight hair. Let's get it. So probably 1 or 2 weeks before you start this process and start putting the dreadlocks in, you want to prep your hair. And by prep your hair, I mean you want to start washing it every other day if you wash it every day. Or basically, if you're participating in athletic activities, like anything, just that makes you sweat, or it could even just be running outside. Yeah, you want to take a shower that day because you do not want to stink. Now, while you're doing this, whenever you shower, if you condition your hair and you're used to that, stop conditioning your hair, drop that, because to prep your hair for the dreadlocks so it can actually lock, is you can only be using shampoo, which cleans your hair and pretty much dries it, I guess you can say. Conditioner is like a moisturizer, and you want your hair to be nice and dry so it can, I guess, mat together easier when you're doing the dreadlocks. Because if you're using conditioner, it's going to be like all slipping around and it's just not going to lock up, and it's going to be a super hard process. Trust me, I've went through it, especially with straight hair, and yeah, it's just a bad thing to go through. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the twist and rip method, which is an ideal method for dreadlocks with straight hair. There's also another one that you might have heard of if you've done your research, which is called the back comb, and all it is just getting your section of hair and just pretty much back combing it. You're like what is it called, teasing your hair. You tease it and then you pretty much palm roll it so the heat can cause like friction, and yeah, pretty much it, and then you crochet needle it. Now the way I do it is that I do the twist and rip method. I'll be showing you guys how to do that, and after that, to make sure that it's secure, like after you do the dreadlocks, here and again, you want to get the crochet needle and just mess with it so it can be looking nice and clean, even though they're starters and they won't be as frizzy as they would without a crochet needle. So for the twist and rip method, what you need to do is get your strand of hair, and basically you're going to start off with my hair. I started off with 1, 2, and 3 twists, and after that you do 1, 2, 3 rips, and then you go from now on. After this you do 2 twists, 1, 2, 2 twists, 3 rips, 2 twists, 3 rips, and so on. To the end, it's going to become very difficult. Your fingers might become slippery. If you need to do so, go ahead and dry off your fingers. So you just keep doing the process. 2, 1, 2, 3. I use my fingernails, like with my finger like that, and I just keep on doing so. And then you don't have to do it fully to the end, but if you really want to, why not? You want it to be secure. But I usually stop around 3. Video, I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe and the post notification bell so you can stay tuned for my next dreadlock videos that will be coming up soon. That is the end, guys. As you can see, my dreadlocks are in a ugly looking phase. Yeah, it's just how it goes, man. But hey, I played it smart. I played the game smart because I'm in quarantine. Yeah, I will see you in the next one.